Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rahima Pitalwala. I'm a chiropractor from Victoria, Canada, and I'd like to invite you to my fundraiser. I'm reaching out to you today to help me finance my next service trip. I would like to go down to Guatemala with International Medical Relief, a fantastic charity. We'll be going down as a team, and my part will be to provide free chiropractic care to the underserved population in Antigua. You might be surprised to hear that low back pain is the leading cause of physical disability worldwide. In fact, the WHO estimated that in 2020, approximately 600 million people were afflicted by low back pain, and they expect those numbers to increase to 800 million by the year 2050. So low back pain is not something that we can ignore. Unfortunately, it is not addressed on an international scale in a consistent and sustainable way. The prevalence of low back pain takes on a greater significance when we consider that most people in the world live in poverty. And most of those people who are living in underserviced areas are doing hard physical work as poor farmers or poor laborers, which makes them very vulnerable to debilitating low back pain. Once they are injured, they are no longer able to put bread on the table, and hunger becomes a constant worry. So chiropractic care is very much needed in underserviced areas of the world, and I am happy to provide that in Guatemala this summer with International Medical Relief, and I need your help to do that. I am very proud to be joining International Medical Relief once more. I went down to Costa Rica with them last year, and I saw what chiropractic care can do for people. It gives patients immediate pain relief more often than not, and within 15 to 20 minutes of chiropractic care, people notice a meaningful difference in their mobility. So when I was in Costa Rica, for example, I had the opportunity to treat about 20 people. 17 of them came in with low back pain and shoulder pain and left with no pain, and 2 left with reduced pain. And chiropractic really is quite wondrous in the way that it restores people's physical health. And I'd like to be able to do that once more in Guatemala. International Medical Relief was very happy with the care that I provided patients in Costa Rica, and I look forward to joining them in Guatemala, but I can only do that with your help. To date, I have gone on 4 service trips, and I have financed those strictly out of pocket. I've spent $10,000 of my own money towards providing free chiropractic care in the Caribbean and in Costa Rica, but that is no longer sustainable for me to do so. I am in the early stages of my chiropractic career, and I also have incurred very serious financial obligations having gone through chiropractic college. So I need to reach out for funding. So in order for me to make the Guatemala trip a reality, I need to raise about 4,040 Canadian dollars. $2,400 of that sum is going to be my donation to International Medical Relief. They will be using these monies to purchase medications, and they will be distributing those for free to people who need them in Antigua. My next biggest expense is my airfare, which is about $1,000. And that would be round trip from Vancouver to Guatemala. Of course, I'll be incurring baggage fees as well, and those usually add up to about $240 because I have to bring down my equipment. I also have taxi costs, which add up to about $120, and ferry expenses, which is about usually about $40 round trip. The last expense that I will incur will be liability insurance, and that's about $240. So that is the total of the expenses I need covered. I would like you to feel good about potentially donating to my effort by visiting International Medical Relief at their website, www.internationalmedicalrelief.org. I am sure you're going to be very impressed with the depth and breadth of their work. They are an established charity. They have been around for 20 years and are active in 92 countries. They're also very highly ranked in their transparency, so rest assured that not a single cent of your money is going to waste. So if you were able to make a meaningful donation of between $25 to $50 to support my cause, that would go a long way. I would like to thank you for coming by and listening to my appeal, and I hope I can count on your kind support.